Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about multiplication table. So let's start the class. 1 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. 1 2 is 2. 1 3 is 3. 1 4 is 4. 1 5 is 5. 1 6 is 6. 1 7 is 7. 1 8 is 8. 1 9 is 9. 1 10 is 10. 2 1 is 2. 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 9 is 18. 2 10 is 20. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. See you in next class. Bye bye.